Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ant's Drone, and in today's video we're going to be doing a cinematic video test with the DJI Mini 2. We're going to be recording all video that you see here in 4K at 30 frames per second, and we're going to find out if this drone can really be used for cinematic looking video. If you guys want to see what I thought about the pictures with the Mavic Mini 2, definitely check out my video on that. You'll see a link to it above. I'm going to go outside, we're going to get the Mini 2 set up, and right now it's 5 o'clock, and at 5:30 it'll be officially sunset, so I'm hoping we can get some really nice looking shots for this video. Then after I'm done flying, I'm going to come back and let you guys know all my thoughts on the Mini 2. Now keep in mind, I'm shooting everything you see here in auto settings. I'm just going to launch the drone in auto settings and see what we can get, and see how cinematic it really looks. Anyway guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm back inside with the DJI Mini 2, and sorry if you hear my dog barking. And I'm just gonna share my initial thoughts on the video footage and whether I think it is something that can be used professionally. Right off the bat, I'm gonna say yes, I do think that there are some professional uses for video with this drone. I'm actually very impressed with the 4K 30 from the smaller sensor. Of course, it's nothing like my Mavic 2 Pro, but it still does the job. And I think for people that want to buy like a cheaper drone, but still get awesome aerial video footage to put in their projects, this is a great drone to get. It's very basic, it doesn't require a lot. You literally open it up and go. And honestly, it was super easy to fly. And with OcuSync 2.0, I was able to fly this much further than I did with my Mavic Mini. So the Mavic 2 Mini, definitely with OcuSync 2.0 and 4K video. I have to recommend this to professionals that don't want to dive too deep into aerial photography equipment. Like my Mavic 2 Pro is almost $2,000. You can pick this up for $600 at the most. I think I bought it for $450, and it also takes some pretty decent photos, but I did a whole different video on that. Click up here if you want to see that. But like I said, guys, this was all shot with auto settings. None of this was shot with any type of custom settings. Everything was default. I didn't change the gimbal settings. I didn't change anything. Everything was exactly the way it was when I opened it from the box. So yes, I do recommend the Mavic Mini for cinematic video, but for the ultra professional that wants more options when shooting, definitely not the Mavic Mini 2. If you are someone that really wants to get custom with your video footage, I mean, this drone definitely does do it, but nowhere near a Mavic 2 Pro or even a Mavic Air 2. Oh yeah, guys, I almost forgot to give this a rating like I did with the picture quality. So for video quality on the Mavic Mini 2, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. So let me explain why. It's got a smaller sensor, which lets less light in. It's limited to 4K 30, so it doesn't shoot 4K 60, which ultimately 4K 60 is the best, in my opinion, because you can do more in the editing process. And another reason why it's only getting a 7 out of 10 is because it cannot take ND filters. So therefore, it is very limited in terms of professional capability, but like I said, it still doesn't rule it out. For the person that really wants the drone, that's either a beginner or they don't want to spend a fortune on it, it's a great drone that provides great quality, and it can definitely provide the aerial video footage that you need for your projects. Anyway, guys, back to the video. So guys, that is my thoughts on shooting cinematic video with the Mavic Mini 2. I'm actually gonna upload the cinematic clip that I put in as a whole separate video. So if you wanna watch that, definitely go and check that out. But I also wanted to make a video where I shared my thoughts on the drone. But yeah, guys, super awesome drone. More content to come for sure. So definitely hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And also give this video a thumbs up so that it ranks higher in the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.